What's up, you guys? Danger Rock here. Went to a couple different thrift stores today and found some figures. The first thing I found here was this bag of figures. We got a vintage 1994 Spider-Man from Spider-Man the Animated Series. We've got a Hasbro, looks to be like a Marvel Universe Deadpool in there. There's another Spider-Man in the bag right there. A couple other miscellaneous figures. Got those for a pretty good price. Here we got another Spider-Man 12-inch figure, and here we have the Incredible Hulk. I'm not sure if this is Marvel Legends or Marvel Select, but I got this guy for a really good price. He's in really good shape. Very happy to have him. So this was today's thrift store finds. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think.